Hello guys, in this video I will show you where to locate the CMOS battery and how to remove the touchpad / replace for an HP ProBook 430 G5 laptop. Undo this screw. Now remove the cover. Now this one. Remove the RAM. Remove the SSD and the Wi-Fi card. Now remove all these screws. It's gonna look like this when it's all removed. I'll turn the laptop around. Use this tool to pick through the keyboard like this. Work your way across, it will come off. Undo this ribbon. Lift that black little clip up. Now undo these ribbons. Now remove the base screws. 6 in total. Now with your tool, spudger, pick through the edge of the cover, plastic cover casing, just like this. Work your way across. Just remember to undo these clips and to remove the ribbon. So now put your spudger, your tool here, and work your way across. And lift up the cover. This is where your CMOS battery is. So to locate it, it's just here, guys. You can use a flathead screwdriver to remove the CMOS battery if you want to. This one, just like this. Right, okay, I just wanted to show you where the CMOS battery is. Now it's time to remove the touchpad. First thing you need to do is remove this ribbon. So unclip it from here and remove it. Remove these 6 screws. So just like this, guys, all removed. Now put your finger underneath and remove the touchpad. Yes guys, that's the touchpad removed from an HP ProBook 430 G5 laptop. I hope this video has helped you. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.